Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best 22-inch griddle is probably one of the most versatile and convenient cooking appliances for any outdoor enthusiast or aspiring backyard chef, offering a spacious cooking surface that allows for simultaneous preparation of multiple dishes, from sizzling breakfast favorites like pancakes and bacon to perfectly seared burgers and stir-fries, making it an indispensable tool for gatherings, camping trips, or simply elevating your everyday outdoor cooking experience with its efficient heat, distribution and easy cleanup. Number 5. Presto 22-inch electric griddle. Enjoy an expansive cooking area, perfect for preparing meals for the entire family. You'll have plenty of space to cook multiple items at once. Its PFAS-free ceramic coating offers superior non-stick performance. This makes cleanup after cooking much easier. The innovative design includes detachable handles. This allows it to fit in most standard cabinets for compact storage. The Control Master heat control system maintains your desired cooking temperature automatically. This ensures consistent results every time. A slide-out drip tray collects excess grease and removes easily for quick cleanups. The base is also fully immersible. Crafted from heavy cast aluminum, it is built to last. It offers long-lasting durability and even heat distribution for reliable cooking. What we like. This electric griddle boasts an extra-large cooking surface, perfect for family meals. Its non-stick ceramic coating ensures easy cleanup, and the removable handles make storage a breeze. If you need a versatile griddle for everyday use and easy storage, this is the one for you. What people say. It's got a super durable surface that works just as well for grilling meat as it does for pancakes. So far it cleans so easily, is non-stick, and I love being able to take the legs off for cleaning. The pancakes cooked evenly. The non-stick worked well also. It washed extremely well and looks like new after use. This exceeded my expectations as every pancake was cooked evenly. 12 bun-size sausage patties cooked at once. Number 4. Blackstone 1666-22 Tabletop Griddle. Take your outdoor cooking to the next level with this portable griddle. Its compact and heavy-duty design makes it perfect for camping, tailgating, or any adventure. From breakfast to dinner, this flat top can handle it all. Cook traditional barbecue favorites, or get creative with pancakes, veggies, and more on its smooth surface. Don't let its size fool you. This griddle offers a generous 361 square inches of cooking space, perfect for feeding small families or groups with ease. Achieve perfect results every time with 2 independently controlled burners. You can cook different foods at different temperatures simultaneously for ultimate convenience. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to its innovative grease management system. Excess grease is easily collected for quick and mess-free disposal. What we like. This tabletop griddle is designed for portability, making it ideal for camping or tailgating. It offers a surprisingly spacious cooking area and 2 independently controlled burners for versatile cooking. If you're an outdoor enthusiast looking for a compact yet capable griddle, this is your perfect companion. What people say. The Blackstone tabletop griddle has quickly become a beloved addition to my outdoor cooking gear. It seamlessly combines high-quality materials, user-friendly design, and easy maintenance to deliver an exceptional cooking experience. Operating the Blackstone tabletop griddle is an absolute breeze. The controls are intuitive and responsive, making it easy to adjust the heat level to suit whatever I'm cooking. The compact size of the griddle makes it a perfect fit for the outdoor cooking area of my camper. It's compact enough for easy storage and transport, yet large enough to cook a decent quantity of food at once. Number 3. Blackstone 22-inch silicone griddle mat. This custom-designed silicone mat is made to perfectly fit your 22-inch Blackstone griddle. Enjoy a snug fit with no wobbling, providing year-round protection for your cooking surface. Unlike other mats, ours offers full coverage, protecting every inch of your griddle. Keep your cookware safe from pollen, leaves, and other outdoor debris. Crafted from 100% food-grade silicone, this mat is thick, durable, and safe to use. It can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit without heating or transferring heat. This friendly griddle cover shields your grill's surface from rodents, insects, dust, and rust. Keep it clean and tidy when not in use to extend its life. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply use soap and water or pop it in the dishwasher. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying delicious grilled food. What we like. This silicone mat offers perfect, full coverage for your 22-inch griddle, protecting it from the elements. Made from durable, food-grade silicone, it's easy to clean and withstands high temperatures. If you want to keep your griddle protected year-round and simplify maintenance, this cover is an essential accessory. What people say. The griddle heats up quickly and evenly across the entire surface. The large cooking area is great for cooking multiple items at once, perfect for family meals. Cleanup is surprisingly easy, the grease management system works well to keep the surface clean. Number 2. Blackstone 1813 Original 22 Tabletop Griddle. Take your cooking adventures anywhere with this portable griddle. Its compact design makes it perfect for beach trips, picnics, camping, and tailgating. Don't let its size fool you. This griddle offers a generous 361 square inches of cooking space, enough to cook up to 14 burgers at once. From bacon and pancakes to burgers and veggies, this versatile cooking surface can handle it all. Enjoy a wide variety of culinary creations. Achieve perfect results with 2 independently heated burners. They provide a combined 24,000 BTUs for even heat distribution across the entire surface. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the rear grease management system. Simply guide debris to the back for easy disposal. It includes a protective hood, non-slip feet for stability, and easy push and turn ignition for quick starts. What we like. This griddle is incredibly portable, perfect for taking your cooking adventures anywhere. It features a surprisingly spacious cooking area and comes with an integrated hood for added protection. If you value convenience and protection for your griddle on the go, this model with its easy ignition and hood is a great choice. What people say. The cast iron was super easy to season, and the burners heat up quickly. It heats up quickly and evenly, which is very important, and you can still create hot and cool zones even though it's small. Heats up fairly quick and grilled onions on one side, potatoes on the other. Number 1. Blackstone 22 Tabletop Propane Grill. Introducing the Blackstone 22 Tabletop Grill, your perfect companion for delicious meals on the go. Experience the convenience of portable grilling without compromising on power. With 24,000 BTUs from 2H-style burners, it heats up quickly and provides ample space on its 361 square inch griddle. Perfect for everything from breakfast to dinner. Enjoy easy ignition with built-in igniters and precise temperature control with 2 adjustable heat knobs. The integrated grease management system makes cleanup a breeze. Crafted with a durable rolled carbon steel griddle top, this grill is built for longevity. Adjustable rubber feet ensure stability on any surface, even uneven ground. It runs on a standard 1-pound propane bottle, or easily connect to a 20 pounds tank with an optional adapter. Take your culinary creations wherever adventure calls. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or picnicking, this portable gas griddle is designed for your lifestyle. Enjoy restaurant-quality results anywhere. What we like. With 24,000 BTUs and a 361 square inch cooking surface, this propane-fueled griddle delivers powerful performance. It features 2 burners with adjustable heat controls and an integrated grease management system. If you're looking for a robust and reliable portable griddle for outdoor cooking, this model offers excellent heat and capacity. What people say. The griddle heats up quickly and evenly, making it great for cooking a variety of foods. The large cooking surface provides plenty of space for multiple items at once. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick surface and removable grease trap. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.